Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art of these trees, and the customer really likes the trees, and she can't find another tree like that that's singular. I kind of find that hard to believe, but we're going to go with it. So what I'm going to do, this is a vector file. She evidently already traced it. I'm going to get a rectangle. And I'm going to do that right there. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to set it something other than that color. And then I'm going to move it out of the way. So you can see we kind of have a tree. I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way. And I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. Whoop, I guess they are. And we'll move these out of the way. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click. Now, the tree is going to be a little bit too symmetrical, though, doing it this way, but we can change that. I've already changed it up just a little bit. Now we're going to take a 2-point line, making sure it's long enough, and then hit P. Of course, the tree is not in the center of that rectangle, and that might even work to our advantage, but we're going to move that over to about the peak of that, and we're going to delete with the virtual segment delete key this side of the tree. Make sure you get it all. Then delete the box and delete all that. Now we can take our line away because our lines cut it right in half. We're going to Control D and duplicate it, and then we're going to mirror it over. Now the downside is, like I said, it's symmetrical. And very few trees are symmetrical, so if they don't want it symmetrical, you need to fill it in with a Smart Fill tool. And what that does, that creates one solid object instead of two objects. Now it's really symmetrical, everything's perfect. So what you could do is you could get the smoothing tool, and you could either get the smoothing tool or the shape tool and change the nodes. You know, take that node and bring it out, take a couple, bring it out, bring this in. You know, it's a tree, so it's going to have different branches, and, you know, especially the top doesn't need to be symmetrical. But you could also take the smoothing tool, which you have if you have X7 or above, click on your item and just go through there and change some of the leaves on this side. You probably want to change some jagged edges on that side. Like that right there doesn't look like a normal tree. And see, that does still look symmetrical, so we'll change that up quite a bit. Then you could go through here and change these sides and change that. And once you're done and you're happy, just take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. It's still pretty symmetrical. So what we could still do, and you don't really notice it till you get the color, get the shape tool and grab these nodes and maybe make the branches lower on one side. You know, like I said, it's Mother Nature, it's a tree, it could be anything. You know, we could bring some nodes in and, you know, bring nodes in and bring nodes out and make it look not so symmetrical. Smart Fill tool again, fill it in. I think it's much better. This is the first part of her problem. And if I get time later this evening, I'm going to finish the project. And she's making a Christmas ornament. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.